So I'm gonna give y'all 4 banks that you can go to and get 25, 50,000 from each of these institutions. What's going on, Big Bang family? It's your boy Big Bang Joe, and today we're gonna be talking about how you can get 50 to 100K in business funding with a new business. And it's very simple. I know a lot of people are new to business credit. They're new to business funding. They're new. You're probably young. If you're 18, 19, 20, 21, if you're 30, whatever age you are, if you got a new business, you're new to this information. I want to tell y'all, when I first learned this information, I'm 22 years old. When I first learned this information, it changed my life, right? And it was very overwhelming, but I just wanted to let y'all know it is more simple than you think, right? It's just about understanding the information and understanding what the lenders are looking at so that you can go get it, all right? And I know a lot of people think with a new business, how can I get funded with a new business? I can't make money with my business because banks won't give me money. But the first thing I want y'all to know is the ideal that you can build business credit and get 50,000, 100,000 from these banks is cap. It's not going to happen, right? The first thing you want to know is business credit is cool, but that's not how you get the max funding from these banks. They think you can build a paydex score, right? That's with Dun & Bradstreet. They think you can build an experienced business, Equifax business, and go into these institutions and say, hey man, I got an 80 paydex score, I got an 80 experienced business, give me 50K, give me 25K. Nah, it's not gonna work like that. It's just not. Lenders do not care about your paydex score, right? If you know what a paydex score is, it's a part of your business credit. Lenders do not care about that. What they do care about is your personal credit, right? This is how you maximize your business credit, right? This is why I stress building your personal credit so that you can access business credit, because guess what? 95% of these lenders are going off your personal credit. So know that is very important. Just like when you're going to get a car loan, okay? You're gonna need a cosigner, right? If you have bad credit, you're gonna need a cosigner, okay? So look at this like that. You need somebody to cosign for you so you can get access to that vehicle, right? So look at you having a new business or even an established business. Look at yourself as your cosigner. You're gonna need to cosign your business so that it will lend you credit. Okay, you're using your personal credit to access this $50,000 to $100,000, right? It's called a personal guarantee. This is the easiest way and the fastest way that you can get funding from banks if you got a new business or if you got an established business. But this is for my new business owner because I know that y'all need to do this. And it's meaning with no proof of income, okay? Like a lot of people are not making money and you want to know how to get money without proof of income. And proof of income is just tax returns, profit and loss statements, and bank statements, things like that. And I'm sure you don't got that if you're a new business. So this is why you use your personal credit, right? And then the reason why you can use your personal credit is because these banks came together and figured out that a lot of people want funding, but they can't get funding because they can't prove their income because they're new businesses. And you know, a lot of banks and institutions came together and realized that, okay, a way for us to be able to trust people is to look at their personal credit. This is your proof that your willingness to pay them back. You have willingness to pay them back. It's your personal credit. So if you got good personal credit, they're gonna be willing to lend to you. And this is how people talk about these no doc business credit products. These no doc. It's from using your personal credit. People think that stated income is lying on your application. But y'all have to understand that these people know that you have new business. These lenders know that you have a new business, right? So they're going off projected income, right? And what is projected income? This is projecting or estimating how much income that you might make this year. So you won't be lying on your application. If you're projected to make $100,000 this year, you can put it on the application. And a lot of these lenders, and the lenders that I'm gonna give you, are some lenders that you can put projected income on the application. So if you're a new business, this is gonna allow you to get high limit credit cards. And these companies do not ask you for proof of income, and you can put your projected income even if you haven't made any money or have any documents to prove it. All right. So you're not lying. You're not putting false information. You're just putting your projected income, right? Whatever industry that you're in, you can put projected income. You can look at the averages of how much people are estimated to make this year or how much you are estimated to make this year and put it on the application so that you're able to get some money. Because if you put $0 on these applications because you ain't made no money, you're not going to get approved, right? So this is your way to get approved, all right? So I'm going to give y'all 4 banks that you can go to that will allow you to apply for this business credit using your personal credit. If you have good personal credit, you can go apply for them and get 25, 50,000 from each of these institutions just from a personal guarantee with no stated income. All right. And the first one I'm going to talk about is Chase, right? Chase Bank is very significant because Chase Bank has a rule called the 524 rule. And if you had opened up 5 other credit cards in the last 24 months, they will deny you. Okay. So this is the first institution I will go to when you're going for this business credit or this business funding. Okay, so Chase you can go to, they have 0% interest credit cards, meaning that let's say you have an Amazon FBA company, you can use these credit cards to fund your business, and guess what, you have 0% APR for 12 months. You got an interest-free loan for your first 12 months. So you start making money off the stuff that you're buying. You're literally getting it for free because you don't have to pay interest on it. All you're leveraging is your credit cards, right? So Chase, you need to go for these first because again, they have a 524 rule, and if you got 5 open accounts in the last 24 months, they're gonna deny you instantly. So you want to make sure you go for that first. So another institution you can go to is PNC Bank. They also have 0% interest credit cards. You can get multiple credit cards with PNC Bank, right? You can get 3 credit cards from what I know. I was able to do that. And you can get these credit cards. They have 0% interest, and again, you can use them to leverage to grow your business or start your business if you're a new business, right? Another institution you can go to is Bank of America. Again, they have 0% APR credit cards, and you can leverage these to for your business. All right. And another institution is American Express, right? American Express is another place that you can get several credit cards from. You can get several credit cards from American Express, and the good thing about them is they only use one hard inquiry, because once you're in American Express, if you get approved for the first time, if you get approved, they only pull your credit one time, and once you're in American Express, they don't pull your credit again, right? Maybe the data points are changing up a bit, but from previous data points, they don't pull your credit more than one time, right? Let me know down in the comments if they've changed it up, or if you're privy to this information. Okay, but these aren't the only banks that give 0% APR credit cards. There's plenty more. I got a whole channel based on 0% APR credit cards, and y'all can go look at it, who they pull from, everything. This video was strictly so you know how you can get approved for high limits, right? And this is for y'all. If you're new to this channel, I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all keep tuning in, right? Because this is good information. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, get this video out to the masses. But because I know a lot of young people want this information, they don't know how to get it. There's people making them pay thousands of dollars just from this simple information, right? There's people that's just, I'm not gonna say scamming, but I feel like people are finessing, bro, because this information is very simple, and I believe everybody deserves to know this information. So I appreciate everybody watching this video. Make sure y'all tune into my channel, because I'm posting so much content about how you can build business credit, how you can leverage your personal credit to get business credit so you can make money. All right, it's for the young people, it's for the older people, it's for the middle-aged people, whoever. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned in, and always remember, the top ain't going nowhere. You just gotta get there. Let's get it.
Had to go and get it. Steady grinding just behind the scenes. I've been on a mission. Gotta touch him by any means.
Said we can go high five.